Hello everyone. In this video, we'll introduce a powerful enhancement to the functionality Convert AutoCAD element to TCS element in CGS Labs software solutions. Previously, only CAD polylines could be converted into CGS elements. Now, with the updated functionality, you can also convert hatches. This allows you to define new CGS quantities, which can be used for area and volume calculations, or even for generating accurate 3D models. To begin, navigate to any desired cross-section and use a standard CAD command to draw a hatch, placing it on a dedicated layer. In this example, the hatch will be created in the first 3 cross-sections. These cross-sections will later be used to calculate quantities and to generate a 3D model of the element. Additionally, it is recommended that all hatches are placed on the same layer if they are intended to represent the same quantity. This can be done easily by selecting all the created hatches and placing them on the same layer. Next, go to the Cross Sections tab and run the Convert AutoCAD element to TCS element command. At the top of the dialog, define the range of cross sections where the conversion should be applied. Then, assign a TCS name and choose a selection method from the available options. In this case, the Select by Layer method is ideal, as both hatches are placed on the same layer. This ensures that all matching elements are selected automatically, without the need for manual selection. Click OK to confirm the operation. The selected hatches are now converted into CGS quantity elements, meaning they are included in quantity takeoff calculations and can also be used for 3D model generation. To generate the quantities, use the quantity takeoff command and specify where the results should be inserted into the DWG drawing. The software will then calculate and display the quantities based on the defined elements. And if needed, a 3D solid can also be created. Once the Planimetry quantities are defined, creating the 3D model is straightforward. Simply launch the Draw 3D Model command. Set the required parameters and confirm. The solid model will be generated automatically based on the quantity element. The upgraded Convert AutoCAD element to TCS element command can therefore be used not only with polylines, but also with any hatch geometry, including more complex shapes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.